Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, says the commission will be transparent in the distribution of its empowerment projects and programs in the oil-rich region. Dr. Ogbuku gave the assurance when he deployed 370 local government area supervisors and collation officers of the Holistic Opportunity Project of Engagement, Project Hope, of the Commission across 9 states of the region after a 3-day training recently at the River State Information Technology Center in Port Harcourt.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, recently brought together 370 youth, 2 each from the 185 local government areas in the 9 states of the region, for a 3-day training at the River State Information Technology Center in Port Harcourt to kickstart the implementation of the Holistic Opportunity Project of Engagement, also known as Project Hope, which is an initiative of the Commission to create a pool of young persons in the Niger Delta region for empowerment purposes. The youth trained, who are to serve as supervisors and collation officers at their different local government areas, would register other young persons in the project and monitor the process at the grassroots. Addressing the trainees, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Commission, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, noted that the Commission would ensure that every Niger Deltan was given a level playing field in assessing its empowerment programs.
Subsequently, all our trainings and programs must pass through the same process, where we are only going to pick from those who are registered in that database, so that people who do not need to know anybody also have a chance to success.
Dr. Ogbuku, who said Project Hope would meet the specific empowerment needs of individuals in the region, charged the LGA supervisors and collation officers to leave no one behind in the process,
so that the real Niger Delta youths who have been left out over the years will not be left out anymore. So you people should know that it is a job that you do for the future of this region.
On his part, River State Commissioner for Youth Development, Dr. Chisong Bali, while applauding NDDC for initiating the capacity building program, said it will go on to create future employers of labor.
This is equipping them. This is empowering them. If there's a level of training you acquire, you don't even need a white-collar job. You go on your own, you be an employer of labor. That is the kind of training, with what I've seen in their outline, that is the kind of training they are going to acquire. It's not just to come and speak the normal grammar and apparently let them go back into the street.
Meanwhile, the consultant for Project Hope, Ambassador Blessing Fubara, was confident that the project would meet the employment and skill development needs of the teeming young population in the region, and assured NDDC of his commitment to the success of the program.
Our commitment is to see that we have the youth developed, empowered, and we have the region for the first of its kind developed in the real sense.
Some of the trained supervisors and collation officers thanked the NDDC for finding them worthy to be part of the pilot team of Project Hope.
I want to say a big thank you to NDDC for giving us this opportunity. I mean, I just applied online and I was picked.
Wow, I must say this is a rebate of hope to the Nigerian youths, to the Niger Delta youths.
The local government area supervisors and collation officers were trained on data collation and analysis, as well as given laptops and other training equipment to aid their work of registering other young persons in the database, which seeks to identify and empower 10,000 youth in the coming months.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,